We're gonna push on. Remember, all this was underwater. Yeah, just no telling. Try not to block you. Alright. Alright, let's go find some shade. Ooh, look. Yes. It is. I have a feeling we're gonna find some good stuff. Might even get a little rain, because I gotta haul it out of here. It's a little bit different. I didn't bring the kayak, so we're kind of limited this time. Could always make you a good pile though somewhere. Come back for them. Like I said, mainly just shirt. It's not what I'm looking for.